Good morning, guys. I wish I could say I woke up like this, but I didn't. I already washed my face, comb my hair, apply a little bit of makeup. So yeah, if you would see me the moment I woke up, you would probably stop watching this. Anyway, Wednesday's here, and it's the middle of the week, middle of the work week, and yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go to work. Still no rain here, but it's kind of warm as well. So I'm expecting rain in the afternoon actually here, no sooner. And if it's gonna be, I'm gonna let you know, like always. Maybe I'm gonna film a little bit of raindrops. Who knows? What am I gonna do? Now, let me get ready and go to work, cause I gotta leave in 15 minutes.
Guess where I am? Yes, in the car. Can you guess where I'm going? Yes, I'm going to work. Guys, apparently the temperature in the house is lower than the temperature outside already. And it's not even 9 o'clock, it's not even 8:30 in the morning. Yeah. So rain, if you're coming, you're most welcome for me. I don't know about the others, but yeah, you're welcome for me. Yeah. This summer is kicking in as hard as possible. And yesterday, my sister already asked me if I know anything about my days off. And of course I wrote her from where to when I'm not working. And she was like, so you're coming? I can tell the kitty you're coming. I can tell my boyfriend's sister that you're coming. Can I tell? She was super excited by text. How do I know that? She had her caps lock on. That means she was screaming, right? Anyway, today we're gonna talk a little bit more, me and my sister. But I know that the wooden puzzle is gonna be waiting for me. My parents were working a little bit yesterday. They did something already there. But now I'm gonna continue because I was occupied otherwise yesterday, so yeah, we're switching we are emptying 2 slots with all the wood. One is in front of the house and the second one is somewhere else where we're gonna store things that we have on the attic right now. My dad's gonna put the doors there and the lock and everything. There's nothing worth of stealing because everything is too heavy for one person to carry. I know that's me, my brother, my dad are gonna be carrying. No, not my dad. Me, my brother, and our neighbor. That's gonna be too heavy for my dad. Yeah, it's gonna be too heavy. Or it's gonna be me, my dad, my mom, and my brother. That's the only way we can carry that. Oh look, people are walking. And we're walking, and we're walking. The hikers. God knows where they're going. Here, in the middle of nowhere. They're walking. Hey, guess what? Wednesday's work is done. Only 2 more work days this week and 1 more next week, and then it's day off. It's gonna be days. It's gonna be 14 work days off. So yeah, home sweet home I go. And someone was driving around a lot of shit right now because it stinks. Stinks like cow shit. Don't ask me how I know. How I know cow shit stinks. But let's just say that a long time ago, my favorite hideout spot was between around cows and horses in my grandma's place in a stable a long time ago. Yeah, trust me, a long time ago. So yeah, I know how the cow shit stinks, and it does. It still does. Just can't imagine. I was hiding between cows, and it didn't bother me. Whoa! How did we get from me finishing work for today to cow shit? Oh, it's the smell, of course. Anyway, via home sweet home I go, and I think I know what's waiting for me at home. Bunch of wood. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the ride home. There is still no sun, but there's only 27 degrees Celsius. Only 27, guys! It's not 30 plus, it's 20 plus. So yeah, 27 degrees. Trust me, you can tell. Apparently in a certain parts of Slovenia they're having problems with hay and all that crap. Heavy rain and hay and lightnings and all that. So that's coming here, guys. I know. Yes, I'm home. And before I'm gonna go at the back to finish what my mom started today, I'm gonna go and move the car first, and I gotta take a couple of pictures of the flowers for my mom. And guys, the wind is getting stronger and stronger. The temperature outside is apparently the same as inside, but yeah, you can actually smell the rain, but you can't see it yet. But the wind is super blowing. Yeah, let's go and move the car. Then I'm gonna take a couple of pictures, then back there to do the work. Well, these are the jewels that my mom is super proud of. Then we have a little bit of there. See? Oh, and I gotta show you this. Check this out. This is a rose bush. Ain't it pretty? We have another one here. Pretty flowers. Look at this. Ah, we gotta love this, right? Well, at least I do. Yeah. Time for work. Weightlifting. Workout for today is done. And since we have no Wi-Fi, we did have a little bit of rain, but not as much as the rest of the of the rest of the Slovenia. Cause God, I was watching the news before. It wasn't good. 2 schools are without roof right now. The wind blew the roof away. God knows how many basements are flooded. Not here where I live, but the other parts of Slovenia.
and he destroyed a couple of cars, and I mean it's terrible. So today's question of the day is, oh god, for July 13th, what are you sentimental about? Last year I wrote pictures on my computer. What am I sentimental about? Well, pictures is one of them, because they are memories. Each picture has a story of its own. What else am I sentimental about? Certain toys. They mean something to me. So yeah. What are you sentimental about? Write in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video for, I don't know, something. If you like seeing my face every day.